Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this STS we're going to go over how and where you would add your antifreeze. The antifreeze reservoir on this vehicle is located on the left side of the vehicle, right on the passenger or the driver's side, right here next to the firewall. This cap here you do not want to remove while the engine is hot because it's pressurized. And the heat and pressurized, it will shoot either steam or very hot water and you can get burned. So when your engine is cooled down on a level surface and you need to add coolant because this is too low, what you'll do is you'll twist this cap off and you would add the coolant that goes in here, which is an orange type coolant that is for your GM Cadillac models. And then you would top this up to the lines there that are going to be on the side, and then you would put the cap back on and you would be good to go. This is the only location you have to put engine coolant in this vehicle. Sometimes on top of the radiator there's another cap, but not on this one. It all goes in here, and so you would be filling it up here to fill up the radiator if you've needed to fill it up. You will have a little bit that evaporates off, but if you're having a lot that is disappearing, then you're going to want to start looking at where is it leaking from the radiator or other options. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.